Hello, welcome back to Learn JavaScript on Codecademy. We're in the loops section. This is a review. Great job. In this lesson, we learned how to write cleaner code with loops. You now know loops perform repetitive actions, so we don't have to code that process manually every time. How to write for loops with an iterator variable that increments or decrements. How to use a for loop to iterate through an array. A nested for loop is a loop inside another loop. While loops allow for different types of stopping conditions. Stopping conditions are crucial for avoiding infinite loops. Do while loops run code at least once, only checking the stopping condition after the first execution. The break keyword allows programs to leave a loop during the execution of its block. Loops allowed us to repeat tasks or processes so we don't manually have to do it every time. We learned for loops, while loops, do while loops, and the break keyword. We even did a nested loop inside of another loop. These are all things you should be practicing before moving on to the next section. Once you have, I'll see you there.